All right, you guys. So last time on the DR vlogs, I was telling you about my friends. So it's only right that I start this vlog out showing you some clips from some parties and outings. In this clip right here, I'm having dinner with my friends for the very first time. We were out, we had drinks, honey, we got a little dance in, and just had a really good time. I absolutely love hanging out with these ladies because they are American and Canadian, and though I plan to make native friends, it's great to have friends who just know where you're coming from and speak the same language as you, literally and figuratively. So in these clips right here, I am on my friend Bridget's property. Absolutely gorgeous, breathtaking, okay? Oh my God, she lives in such a beautiful area and has access to a huge, beautiful pool and like clubhouse and golfing and just so many different amazing things that you just gotta love it. So here we are, we at the clubhouse, we went to the pool, we had fun, we hung out, and we're kind of hiding away from the rain. So on that day, I actually met a really cool chick and she invited me to go on a boat trip with her. I missed the boat trip because I was at the wrong location on the beach. So this is kind of me on the beach sulking. I was so upset. I was so sad that I just wasn't there. I didn't make the time. And I was actually looking at some of the other excursion boats coming in and going out. And I'm just like, oh my God, I'm so sad that I missed it. But I actually did end up making use of my day. Okay, so while I was on that beach, I remembered what one of the other girls told me about. She told me about talk. And I said, oh my God, okay, talk is on this beach. I have to go. I have to grab something to eat. I have to experience this because so many people had chimed in saying, oh my God, talk is amazing. You got to go over there. You got to try their food. You got to try their drinks. So I said, okay, I'm game. So I ended up like making some content, hanging out on the beach, and then trying some amazing food. Now I did already make a separate video about this experience, but I wanted to include it here for those of you who may not have had been able to see it. And I'll have that in the bottom bar as well. If you're ever in Punta Cana, if you're ever on Los Corrales beach, you have to hop over to talk. Okay, so I ordered their bachata nachos, which is nachos on plantains or plátano. Absolutely, positively amazing, breathtaking. Beans, chicken, avocado, cheese. Oh my God, it was so good. It was about $15, the best $15 I have ever spent to date. I was absolutely in heaven, and it completely made up for missing the boat trip. I ate each and every last piece of the nachos, every scrap, every bean. If I'm not mistaken, I think I ate the plate too. I don't really remember, but you guys definitely have to try this place out. I mean, bomb. I mean, so good. Great customer service. And I'm not going to say that good customer service isn't a thing in Punta Cana, but most people are just very laid back, and customer service doesn't feel like the main goal, but I got great customer service here. They had a swing. I love a good swing. And I was talking to this lady here about the food and telling her, look, yes, definitely come in and enjoy. So after that, I did get invited to a party with the same girl who invited me to the party boat, but I declined because I needed a haircut. I finally got my first haircut in the Dominican Republic, and let me tell you something. 100%, absolutely, positively the best haircut experience I have ever had. Hands down. He cut my hair. He did my eyebrows. I was shook. Okay, and this is my favorite beach. This is the first day that I had ever been on this beach, and I didn't even know that the community I live in had a private beach. And my friend Bridget is actually the first is the person who introduced me. She was like, yeah, girl, you better hop on the trolley and go down to the beach. There's a whole beach. You know, there's a part that's for the residents, and then there's a part for people who stay in like the hotels or the resorts or whatever the case may be. So that's me just enjoying the beach. I love the beach. Like whenever I'm acting a mess, I head to the beach. So this is another beach. This is a beach resort. This is Malia, and it's an all-inclusive, adults-only resort. And this guy was showing me some beautiful jewelry and different things like that. And then you'll see my friend Yolanda over here in the back getting her hair braided. Yes, honey. And this is me just basking. Just, oh my God, just obsessed and loving it. I love coconuts, and to get coconut water on the beach, it's like $2 or something like that. And then this is Bridget and her husband. I absolutely love them. I absolutely love their energy. They're so goals. They're definitely what I would call a power couple. Now, they do their thing together, they do their thing separately, and I will always be grateful to Bridget for including me in different things like this. This is like, for me, this is unheard of. Grown, nice friends who got their own money, they include you in their activities, you go, you guys have a good time, it's no drama, it's no fighting, it's no competing, it's no nothing, it's no weirdness. You'll see me and Yolanda walking off in a few minutes to get into the water. The most perfect beach swimming experience I've ever had. The water was perfect, the perfect temperature. It was like really, really clear, and the water wasn't too rough. This was an amazing day. Okay, so this is me just showing you the rest of Malia. There are like several pools here. They had food, drinks, and a lot of different things included if you live within certain communities or if you are in the resort. And this is Bridget showing me the gym because I told her how much I missed the gym, and she was like, girl, come see my gym and come see my hot personal trainer. So we did that. We checked it out. Such a beautiful gym. And then for it to be so close to the beach, it's like you could work out and then go take a swim in the beach. It's just, oh my God, it's so goals here. It's so goals, like just beautiful. So we're just taking a look around, and then we're walking from where we were to hop on the trolley to leave the resort. And look, another swing. Baby, I'm all about my inner child. I'm always gonna get on the swing. I'm always gonna love the beach. I'm always gonna love hula hooping, jump roping, rollerblading, bike riding, and all that good stuff. Now this this footage is about my inner teenager, honey. So I went on a boat trip, an excursion, and I'm gonna have all the information for which one I recommend that you go on, because I had an amazing time. As you can see, this footage is so lit, and I'm gonna be going again. Me, my friend Sherry, my friend Sonia, Antigua, we just had an amazing time, and I met a really cool chick on the boat, and now we're Instagram friends. I just had an amazing time. Like, there's nothing like just being somewhere where everyone's just having a great time and you're not spending a ton of money. Like, it is just goals. I love looking at this footage because I was having an amazing time. Met some cool people when me and Sonia went out later that evening. I have a whole vlog where me and Sonia were on the beach and just having an amazing time. And after that beach day, we ended up walking all the way down from my beach to Los Coralas, the first beach that I showed you. And we ended up at Captain Cook. So what you're seeing right here is me looking at like a smoker where they had shrimp and fish and lobster and crab, and everything was so good. We end up walking to get something to eat, because a lot of the things on certain beaches are only for people who are in resorts, and we weren't in one of the resorts. So we walked down and we went to go get something to eat, and it was so beautiful. I'm so sorry if some of this footage is a little hard for you to understand. There was so much going on, and I was trying to get everything, and I'm trying to put everything in this vlog without making it too long. So there's going to be layering and different things, but we're at Captain Cook, and I'm just showing you like some of the prices and different things like that. I'm gonna do a more extensive breakdown on going out and how much things cost out here, but this portion of the video is Destiny and Sonia take Punta Cana because we just had so much fun. We were out, we were eating, we were drinking, smiling, laughing, just having a really good time. If you've been following me for a while and watching my content, then you're probably familiar with Sophie, aka Sonia, aka Sophie Sundays. And we're just showing you like the different food, and oh my god, so much deliciousness. Like, she really knows me. She ordered me a bowl of olives. We had a seafood platter, we had drinks, we got serenaded. We left them an amazing review on TripAdvisor. They were super nice. Customer service was A1. Like I told you, that's not always the point, you know, but look at Sonia enjoying her food. Like, I love this footage so much because that's my homie. Like, that's my real friend. All my friends now are my real friends, but me and Sonia, we go way back. And yeah, I'm just showing you some of the fun that we had. It was just an amazing time. I would love for any of you who come out to Punta Cana to hook up with me. I can come out, we can have a great time. I can video you, I can do your hair. We can make it a whole thing. So what I'm basically doing right now is just showing you the ambiance, the different scenery. Of course, me, the camera girl, I'm always obsessed with the angle and what's going on, and getting somebody who's very light and somebody who's very dark in the same scene at night to look good is hard. So I keep changing everything. And then I wanted to show you the food, which is so good, with lobster and calamari. I'm not really a calamari girl, but there was shrimp and there was all types of stuff there that was just so good. We had a truly amazing time. It truly was such a bomb time. Okay, so after we ate, we took a little bit of a walk and we went into some like tourist shops and looked at like different clothing and accessories and different things like that. That is a tiny drawback. Like, a lot of times when you're at these restaurants and when you are, you know, waiting to eat or be seated, you have a lot of people who are trying to get you into their shops. And not only into their shops, but to buy a lot of things, and the prices can be so high for some of these things, especially if you're in business and you know how much some of these things cost. It's just like, you know. But Sonia was a really great sport. She went in, she bought some things. I already did all that kind of stuff when I first moved here. I had to learn to say, I cannot buy stuff every single time I come outside. I live here now, and I told the lady that I would show some of her stuff in some videos, and I will have her shop information as best as I can find it in the bottom bar. So if you're ever out here on the island and you want to support some local businesses, which I definitely recommend you do, hands down, I recommend you get your souvenirs and different things. And support local businesses. Me personally, I like to get souvenirs from the grocery store because they're way more inexpensive, and then other things I will get from locals. So after shopping, we went to get a ride, and let me tell you something, Punta Cana does not turn down. They did not sit down. Everybody's out. This guy was dancing. He was so sweet. He also wanted us to go to his shop. He's so sweet. I loved his energy. He kept calling me his daughter, and I was like, okay, like, you know the key to my heart. Like, he was such a sweet older guy. Oh my God. So we went to go check out his shop, which was actually a part of the shop that we had already been in. He bought us drinks. Like, that's one thing out here. Like, they sell little cups of drink and different things like that. I'm pretty sure that was Mama Juana, which is a drink that's supposed to, you know, rev your engine or whatever the case may be. Baby, So yeah, like Punta Cana reminds me of certain parts of New York in so many ways because it's such a blended culture. Everybody's outside having a good time, talking, smoking, drinking, dancing. People on motorcycles, people having little dance contests, the kids running around with no shoes on. Love it. So I'm just showing you some more shops and different things like that. I loved it. You could probably hear it in my voice. I had a great time. My friend Sonia came to see me, and we were just out. We had on pretty much, we're such girls. We had on matching outfits, honey, out and about, and I just love it. You know, I'm gonna get some of those for my mom. My mom loves stuff like that. I wanted to get her some elephants. It's hard to show interest in anything in these shops because, like, they're not gonna let you leave without it. And one thing they do that kind of makes me sad is they'll let you take it and say, okay, just, you know, bring it back. And I know some people can't handle that responsibility. But after Sonia left, I continue to have my own little favorite beach days on my favorite beach. And that's pretty much how this video ends. Me on the beach, working out, and just getting my head together. I love to go to the beach to listen to music, to dance, to work out, to manifest. I like to go to the beach to talk to tourists because a lot of the times, you know, you meet cool people down on the beach and, you know, just vibe out and just have a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, you know, just enjoy this new content because I am going to be offering a lot more travel, lifestyle type of content, motivational, inspirational, and then I'm also going to be offering some business content as well. You guys know that I have my fitness and my fitness channel, so I still have my fitness content that I offer. And I was just out having a great time and just enjoying the beautiful weather, the scenery, the people, the vibe, the energy. I love sunsets out here in Dominican Republic. They are untouchable. Such gorgeous, gorgeous weather and just such a beautiful culture. All right, guys, as always, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.